In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Docusign on a PDF. Whether you're managing contracts or need to get a signature for a document, Docusign provides a seamless, digital way to collect and manage signatures. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you need to open your web browser and head to the Docusign website. If you haven't set up an account yet, this is a good time to pause and create one, as it will allow you to utilize their full suite of features. Once you're on the home page, look for the option that directs you to Agreements, which will guide you to the heart of Docusign's document management tools. Once you're in the Agreements section, you'll notice various options available. For our purpose today, we'll focus on executing that first step to digitizing our PDF. Let's use the Start Now button. Clicking this button empowers you to initiate the document preparation and signing process, setting the stage for what comes next. After clicking on Start Now, you'll be prompted to upload documents. For our task, select Upload. This is where you'll get to choose the PDF that you want to work with. Keep in mind, if the document is already prepared on your desktop, this path makes the process quick and easy. Next up, select the source from which you'll upload the PDF by choosing Desktop. If your PDF is saved on your desktop, this step will help streamline your access to it. Once you've selected Desktop, navigate through your files to select the specific PDF you wish to upload. This user-friendly interface should guide you smoothly through your folders. Now that the PDF is uploaded, select your recipient. This is where you input the email address of the person who will sign the document. Make sure to add any additional recipients if you're working with multiple signees. With the recipients in place, click Next to move forward. In the next step, take a moment to review every detail before sending the document. It's always good practice to verify that all entered information is correct, ensuring a hassle-free signing experience for your recipients. Plus, checking your document before sending ensures nothing important is missed. Finally, once you're satisfied with everything, decide on your next action. You can click on Actions to choose either Save to keep the document for later use or Send to dispatch it to your recipient right away. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added Docusign on a PDF and are now ready to manage your documents with ease. Docusign offers a great way to make your document signing process both efficient and reliable. Thank you for tuning in, and happy signing.